What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? This your boy here, J Quill Talk Live. What we gonna do tonight? We gonna do my special recipe, pineapple collard greens. But then we gonna do a little twist to this because I love greens. This time we gonna do pineapple collard greens with kale. All right, this is what we got. This is what we got going on tonight. Move this microphone because I got somebody on the phone right now. But this is what we gonna do. We got fresh collard greens here. I've already rinsed everything out. Everything rinsed and cleaned, everything cut up. We got kale here, right here. We got fresh pineapples here. This the special recipe. Now we got garlic here. We got one sweet onion here. Turn this to 4 because I have an electric stove, so we gotta turn that to 4. So we gotta let that heat up on its own. And we got green peppers here. One green, one orange. So now it's up to you how you want to do it. But I'm gonna do it with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of simply organic smoked paprika. And we're gonna do 1 pack. All right, so now I've been having in the refrigerator right now, marinating for about at least an hour and a half, my smoked turkey wings. But then what it is was those, I couldn't find the smoked turkey wings, so I did regular turkey wings. But what I did was I cleaned them, took the bone out the leg, got it soaking in smoke flavor sauce and lemon juice. Let me get that for you. Then we got the turkey wings right here. These been marinating now for at least an hour and a half. So this is marinated in smoked flavor sauce with lemon juice. All right. So now we're gonna get it together. That's a little hot, so we're gonna go with the olive oil. This is my famous pineapple collard greens, but we're gonna mix kale with it. So what I usually do, I usually put my peppers and everything in first. So you can see the grease up in there. 1 teaspoon here. And 1 tablespoon of paprika. So what you want to do is you want to put your garlic in first. You want to put your onions in. You want to put your peppers in. All right. So as you're doing that, You might want to put a little more olive oil in here. Don't be afraid of the olive oil. See, this is how it's going to look once you start mixing everything together. You got to get your colors involved. You got to get all that involved. All of that. So, you got to put your pack, one pack. One minute. Let's sit for 1 minute. So what we doing right now, we trying to let it sweat out so it can steam up. Once it steam up, and we can get some of that moisture in there, some of that flavor, then we're going to drop the turkey wings in there, but we're going to let the turkey wings brown out. So, but you gotta keep your eyes on it. But you gotta keep checking on it though. That's how it's gonna start looking. You gotta keep checking on that. You can see all the flavor up in there. That's what you want. You want all of that. All of that. So when you put the water, you want all of that to caramelize up in there, all right? The caramelize. So now what you want to do now, you want to put your turkey wings in there. See, what you do is, what I do with my turkey wings, basically what I do, after I let them marinate in the salt, before I let them marinate, I cut the turkey leg in half, take the bone out, the little wing part, whatever that is, I cut that in half, split it in two, and then the tip, whatever that is, what you want to call it, I just put that on the side, so that will go in with it. Don't forget to pour the juice in there. All of that lemon juice with the smoke gotta go in there too. All of that gotta go in there. All of that. See, we try to get everything in there. Get it all. You gotta get it all. Stir it all up. Make sure you stir it all up. See, that's how we starting to look now. You can smell that. You can smell that lemon. You can smell that smoke taste. There you go. Gonna let it sit. Right. If you do electric stove, break it down to about 3. Keep it on a 3. All right. Once we got that on a 3, we good. All right. So I'm gonna pause it. I'm going to get back at y'all when it's time to put the greens in. I'll be right back. All right, YouTube, we back again. Yeah, I see my glasses on. Every now and then I wear them. But, you see this thing? You got to make sure. Check on everything. We're going to let it cook down a little more. Be right back. I'll be right back at it. So now we're going to do now, show you how we looking. This is how we looking right now. So now we gonna do. Put the kale in. Stir it up before we put the greens in. Now you want to put the pineapple on top. I'll show you how we looking with the pineapple. That's how we looking with the pineapple. Then put the greens in. Then we're gonna put the pineapples on top with the juice. Let it sweat itself down. Let it sweat down like that, and we're gonna be right back with it. So this is what you're gonna be looking at with the pineapple on top with the collard greens. So you got the kale, pineapples, and you got collard green with pineapples. So you're gonna leave it just like that, let it sweat itself down. Then we're gonna go from there. All right? Be right back at you. All right, you two, right back at you. Open this pot up. Start to sweat itself down right now. Mm-hmm. All right, starting to sweat down. We're gonna let it sweat down a little bit. Pretty much about done right now. Gonna just let it cook out. But that's pretty much how I do my special pineapple collard greens. But today I add some kale with it, so it was something different today. But hey, I love greens. All right, get back at you. All right, you two, we back again. Always gotta keep a good cook. Always gotta keep checking. Gotta keep checking. Gotta keep checking. Put that up. Gotta make sure it's all sweated down. There we go, YouTube. We pretty much done there. We'll just keep on, gotta let it sweat down. And give it about, be right back at it. Let it sweat down some more. We pretty much about done here. We'll come right back at it. All right, I'm done over here. Salute to everybody that's been watching my video. I'm kind of tired right now because I got to be up at, I got to be at work tomorrow, be in the port. But salute to everybody who been watching me with this video. This is my pineapple collard green recipe that, you know, is dear to my heart because I've been doing this for a minute. But this is the first time I add kale with it, so let y'all see how it looks from here. All right, so we're gonna bring it over there so you know, get a good look. Get it real quick. All right, so this how we looking. Exactly how we looking right there. That's the pineapple collard greens with kale with smoked turkey meat. There we go. All right, so we done here. I'll get at y'all later on. Yeah, that's my fireplace back there. That works. But I get at y'all later on. Salute, subscribe, and share. Get back at y'all. I gotta be to work in a minute. A little later on today. I'm tired right now, but appreciate y'all for stopping by. Salute. Take care. We out of here. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. One love.